Hello, so today I'm here with my friend Esther.
Hi.
Esther's a yoga teacher and into all interesting things like being a doula and other things. So I'm making a little video today, which is a practice that I learned off Kimberly Ann Johnson, author of Call of the Wild. And is that right? I got it wrong before. I was on a recent workshop with her and 2-day course with her and a talk with her in the UK, and I found this practice really helpful. So since then I've already gathered with one friend and done this, and now gathering with another friend. I also mentioned it on a recent workshop that I ran and thought I would share it more widely because I think it's a really helpful little practice and how we can help each other to heal in simple ways. So I am going to sit down with my legs out as a starting point, and then Esther, if you lie with your legs over mine. Okay, so if you want to lie back and relax, you maybe have to shift this way a little bit. Yeah, is your head okay there?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So and then I'm going to put my hands over Esther's hip bones. Is that okay, Esther?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. I'm just going to hold there for a bit of time. So you could just hold there for about 2 minutes, and then the next part of the process, Esther, if you'd like to bring your this leg up, and you're going to push against my shoulder, and I'm going to resist, Esther. So this can be helpful for releasing fight-flight energy in the body. So if you practice, Esther, some pushing and relaxing. And then we'll do the other leg. Pushing and relaxing. Okay, and you can stay with that as long as the person is finding some benefit or just curious to explore that more. And then the next part of the practice is Esther's going to squeeze my body and then relax. You can put your hand back over the hip area as well. Squeezing and relaxing. So this practice can be partly just about contact and connection, and can also be potentially helpful for releasing trauma from the body in a gentle way, a safe way. There's been birth trauma or sexual trauma, for example. Okay, how are you doing? Are you all right?
Yeah, good. Yeah, thanks.
Should we demo it briefly the other way around? So
yeah.
Yeah, and then okay, so. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so placing your hand on your hips.
Thank you.
And when you're ready, you can lift your leg up. Okay.
That's quite normal for my body to do things like that. Thank you. I'll do the other side.
And I'm not. Do I need my hand on here or not?
Doesn't matter either way. One more time. Okay. Thank you. And then squeezing, relaxing. just to say, you can of course stay with that longer with what feels good and work together with what feels good and helpful around that short practice together. Okay, thanks Esther.
Thanks.
Bye.